Which Apple Watch should you be buying in late 2021, including the Apple Watch Series 7? I'm going to tell you in this video. Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here, and you can find me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And Apple has officially released the Apple Watch Series 7. It is available to order now, like right now, this very second. But when you go to the Apple Watch page, you're inundated with many different options. You can choose between the several different models of the Apple Watch Series 7. You can choose the Apple Watch Series 3, the Apple Watch SE. There's also the Nike and Hermes versions. It makes it a little confusing if you're not exactly sure which model you should be picking up. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through all of your different options and which one you should probably just buy. Starting off with the Apple Watch you shouldn't buy. Do not buy the Apple Watch Series 3. At this point, it's become a bit long in the tooth. That's the Apple Watch Series 3. They've had the 4, the 5, the 6, and this year is the 7. There have not always been massive processor upgrades like the S6 to the S7 Apple SIPs. There wasn't a huge change in CPU. The CPU is exactly the same, so performance is going to be the same. But that combined with other factors mean that that watch is just not going to last as long as any of the more modern options. So for almost everybody out there, unless you just want the cheapest Apple Watch you can get, do not buy the Apple Watch Series 3. But what about the Apple Watch SE? Fortunately, the Apple Watch SE is still not a bad deal. It wasn't upgraded from the prior generation, but here in 2021, the Apple Watch SE remains a solid Apple Watch. If you are looking for a low-cost Apple Watch, I still would say ditch that Series 3 and instead opt for an Apple Watch SE. These are good budget solutions that are dependable, and they have newer features built into them. They are not as flashy as the Apple Watch Series 7 or even the Series 6, but they have a lot of the crucial components in there. So if you don't mind losing out on some features, the Apple Watch SE is still a good option. All of that brings us to the Apple Watch Series 7. If you want the best Apple Watch, it is the Apple Watch Series 7. But even that is broken down between a few different models. When you go for an Apple Watch Series 7, you can choose between aluminum, stainless steel, titanium, but then there's also the Hermes version and the Nike versions. And those are all available in 41 and 45 millimeter sizes. Most people out there, they're not going to need the Hermes Apple Watch. There are people who want the Hermes Apple Watch, and they know who they are. They're probably not watching this video. If you're watching this video debating, should I spend that much money on the Hermes Apple Watch? It's probably not for you. So stick with one of the other Apple Watch models. So the model that I will tell almost everybody out there to pick up is the Apple Watch Series 7 Nike Edition. And here's why. There is no differentiation in features among the entire Series 7 lineup. If you get the cheapest 41 millimeter aluminum, it will operate the same as the 45 millimeter titanium. There's no difference in what you get, features, anything like that. The only way that you get more bang for your buck, is if you go with the Nike version. Because the Nike version includes additional exclusive watch faces. It's just a bunch of ones and zeros, but you do get more by opting for that version of the Apple Watch. They effectively look the same, and you are stuck buying a Nike band, which are the ones with the perforated holes down the bands. So you do have to get a Nike band with it. You can't pick any of the others, but you get the extra watch faces. So for me, it's all about value. Like if I'm picking up an Apple Watch and I don't care that much about the band, or I really like the Nike bands in general. So you're picking up a Nike band with it anyway, you might as well get the Nike version of the Apple Watch Series 7 because you just get a little bit more for your money. All of the other watch faces are there. All the other watch faces are the same across the entire lineup. But the Series 7 Nike Edition does come with Nike watch faces that you can only get with that version of the Apple Watch, including the new bounce face that reacts to the motions of your wrist. So if you want the best bang for your buck, you gotta go with the Nike version. That said, there are reasons to go for the other ones. You want a different case material. I always go with stainless steel. That is my favorite. It's available in both silver as well as that graphite color. I'm going with graphite again this year, but there's titanium, which is lighter and super strong and has like that brushed finish to it. So if you want titanium or stainless steel, don't worry about the Nike because you can't get the Nike. The Nike is only available in Starlight and Midnight. Those two colors, the white and black versions of the Apple Watch. The other reason you may not want a Nike version is because you do want to choose your band. You want to get a leather link, or you want to get the Milanese loop, or you want to get a braided solo loop. Anything like that, anything other than the Nike bands, you have to choose the other one. In that case, I will tell you to get the aluminum version of the Apple Watch Series 7 and pick out a band of your choice. Additionally, and the last reason you may not want to get the Nike version is you want a color. You want the red color, you want the new blue color, or the new green color. If you want any of those other colorways, you have to go with just the regular version of the Nike or of the Apple Watch Series 7 in aluminum. So that's it for everyone out there. Get the Nike version of the Apple Watch Series 7. If you want a budget Apple Watch, go with the Apple Watch SE. And if you want a certain band, certain case material, or a certain color, go with those versions of the Apple Watch Series 7. Let me know over on Twitter right now which version you want or which version you already ordered. Let me know at Andrew_OSU, and stay tuned. I will have a ton of comparison videos coming out the second the Apple Watch Series 7 lands in our hands on October 15th.